Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix the Gmail email signature too long error message. So first thing, just simply go to the gear icon on the top right, click on see all settings, and from here if we scroll down a little bit, we should be able to see here our signature. So from here I have a signature sample. So I could just simply go ahead and just simply create a new one, and I'm gonna go for test one. And now from here, of course, just simply provide your text. And after that, I'm just gonna provide a picture. I'm gonna click on insert image. So guys, from here, in some cases, when you select picture from Google Drive, you will have an error message that's saying that it is too long. So in order for you to work around on that, just simply go for the web address URL over here. As you can see, we have paste URL of image. So in order for you to do this, just simply go for the imgur.com and just simply select new post and just simply drop your image right here. And now once you have drag it from here, just simply right click on the picture and just simply select copy image address and just simply go for the Gmail and paste it over here. And as you can see, we will have this image right here and click on insert image. So guys, based on my research, most of the time you should be able to fix that error when you upload a picture using the web address. And after that, just simply select the picture and you can select it into small, medium, and large. So this will be depending on you. So after that, just simply scroll down and click on save changes and you should be able to have fixed the issue. There you go. See ya.